That's it. Obviously, as you can see, we're not centered in Detroit right now. It's in Charlotte because that's where I'm located. So if I were in Detroit, you would see me in Detroit. The location display is a blinker that sort of gives an accuracy of my location, my approximate location. So if I actually went to need a little bit more, you would see my approximate location to a certain scale factor. And that sort of gives me that accuracy information. Now it's like zooming, you see it get bigger, so it gives the user an idea of where they are and how accurate the GPS signal from their phone is. The application obviously is not the primary interface or the launch interface. It does require a login, and the reason why it requires a login is because you want to be able to share the stuff here with your transit and stuff, which is part of some of the functionality that has to be implemented in the application. And so you can log in with a Facebook account, or you can log in with a public ArcGIS.com account. Now, I logged in with my ArcGIS.com account, and I post my profile information here. You can see here you can add some more user profiles as well. Now, it has options to toggle routes, toggle the hospitals, and change base maps, which is one of mine. Let me try to change base map to my favorite base map, which is a grayscale. And let's come into Detroit and show all the information that I needed here. As you can see, it looks like it's a bit busy, but if you feel it's a bit busy, you can actually toggle the stuff that are in here, right? So that said, you would be able to basically add any location within the Detroit route system or the transit system. You can ask the app to tell you the closest hospital to go to and pick the route information for you and tell you which route to take and the bus to pick and all that. So assuming that the user is in the Dearborn area, as for route calculation, the application tries to search for the closest hospital and after some time just plots the path. This is a path for it, right? This tells the user's location and the final hospital location. Try to repeat that so we can see the route directions and everything. Now, this tells you the bus to pick in the route elements all the way to the end of your destination. Now, assuming that you wanted to find out traffic information or traffic details as well, you can click on here and then get traffic layer added on here as well. So, and then you can go ahead and then clear the map. Clear the map if it's too busy. You can remove stuff from it. Now, one key feature that if you want to go to a specific hospital, you don't know where it is. All the hospitals have been used. So say you want to go to Henry Ford Hospital. The application will zoom into Henry Ford for you. Now you can click on Henry Ford, get the Henry Ford information, and ask it to route you from your current location to Henry Ford. And you should be given that. Now here it's telling us that the username and password is not accurate. This means that the route service didn't recognize my username and password details. So it means that every single time a user is going to try to do something like this, they would have to make sure that the username and password credentials for ArcGIS.com are valid. Now this is a demo, so the code can be configured to allow for the route to be calculated. Like I said, this is only for demonstration purposes. So this in a nutshell is some of the features that are in here. Now I'll provide the APK for folks to be able to change stuff around and explore the application in its entity. There are certain things that I wanted to implement that for want of time I couldn't get the time to actually implement, but things like sharing the app information, sharing your route location, and being able to post to ArcGIS.com your route details and the map of your route activities so that people can see and join you, or suggest route buddies or people that you can travel with. Some of it for safety purposes, or even for other informational, important information as well. So the APK will be set as part of the submission, and you can explore around the application. So far, this is what it is. What is his major features of the application. Now, users can also change settings in terms of, the distances measured in and all that kind of stuff from within the app. And the way the app is built currently makes it possible for this to be scaled to other cities as well. So if this were for New York City, we could do the same information and then port it to New York City for anybody to be able to, visit a hospital or the nearest health facility based on their location, purely by using the public transit system. So